Hi, Laura Whitelaw here from Overwhelm to Empowerment, and thanks very much for visiting. The topic I wanted to cover today is getting distracted by shiny objects. So it's a term that we hear often as entrepreneurs who work online, and we're getting bombarded so often with various offers for different marketing programs. Um, from how to build your Facebook group to Facebook ads to, you know, uh, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, whatever the case. Um, even, offers like my own for um, getting your mindset right as a female entrepreneur. And it does get overwhelming, and if you keep getting distracted and from the whatever strategy you're following right now to grow your business and get your message out to the world, and you keep changing directions or strategies, then it can often do more harm than good. So, in my opinion, and for myself, I try and look for the simple path and the fun path, and something that I'm going to enjoy in terms of personal development and marketing as well. And if you're doing too many things, it becomes overwhelming. But I know for myself and colleagues of mine I've talked to, uh, I do occasionally get distracted. It's normal. It's part of the process because we're on social media all the time. And but just make sure you don't keep changing direction every week or every month or every couple of months. Give a strategy some time to work for you, and try not to get distracted by the latest and greatest thing to grow your business. So why don't we tap on that, because I do have a bit of an issue with that myself, and let's see if we can release that tendency. So tapping on the karate chop point. Even though I get distracted by shiny objects, by the next latest and greatest, the next promise for huge success, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have a tendency to get distracted by the next program, I get all excited. The marketing is just so good, and I feel like they're speaking just to me. I choose to take a step back and really ascertain if this next opportunity is right for me. Even though I have a tendency to get distracted by shiny objects, it's like a dog with a squirrel, and I lose my focus. I deeply and completely accept myself, and I'm open to letting this pattern go. This tendency of mine to get distracted. I get distracted by shiny objects, by the next and latest and greatest. I get seduced by the marketing, and then I just have to have it. But I'm open to letting this tendency go, because more often than not, success is going to come from inside me. More often than not, It's about my mindset. And so I'm choosing to tap into my intuition to determine if that program is right for me. I'm choosing to keep things simple so that I don't get overwhelmed with information overload. Sure, all these programs have value, but there's no way I can implement all these different strategies. There's just not enough time in the day. So I'm choosing to keep it simple and not get distracted. And feel confident in what I'm already doing. In fact, I'm choosing to do things that I enjoy. Things that I feel add value to my market, to my tribe. I'm going to focus on things that are fun for me. I'm going to focus on marketing that's fun for me. And keep it simple, but consistent. So I'm letting go of this tendency to get distracted by the latest and greatest promise to the success I desire. I'm choosing to let go of this tendency and feel confident in what I'm already doing. As long as it's something that I'm having fun with. Something that adds value to other people's lives and my peeps. Letting in, feeling calm and confident. And letting go of this tendency to get distracted by the latest and greatest. Okay, take a deep breath and let it out. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that the result will be that you'll be less overwhelmed by information and all the different strategies that are available, and that you'll keep it simple and have fun. Have a great day, and check out my website at the link below to download your free money magnetism guide. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks very much for watching. Bye-bye.